So resume this, and now we're going over W4 Assignment 1, Chemical and Physical Properties. Okay, which is the answer? But choose best to describe the physical property of volume. So if we look at section on what is volume, volume is the amount of space that something takes up. Okay, the amount of space a substance has. Okay, so this is our question right here, amount of space. So I always use these side by side to help answer the questions. Choose two quantitative physical properties. So I'm going to look through the notes here. When we get to the end here, quantitative properties that do volume, mass, temperature, conductivity, magnetism. So two properties of quantitative. Got density and melting point. Okay, temperature, that's the melting point, right? And density. Physical properties describe a substance that can. All right, so let's look at physical properties. That would be the part in the beginning here. Physical property is something that describes a substance that can be observed and measured. Observed, no change in the substance. Yep, that's what that one says. And measured. Number 4, salt dissolves in water. So let's look at our examples of solubility. Solubility is the ability to dissolve in water, is an example of a physical change. Physical changes. Yes, dissolving in water. You can see that the sugar has been, where has it gone? Could you taste the sugar? Can you get the sugar back? Sure you can if you let this dissolve. So it's a physical change. Which example best demonstrates the benefit of understanding physical properties? All right. I think that's the beginning slide here. Engineers can design better bridges, and scientists can easily classify mixtures. So engineers can design better bridges, scientists can classify mixtures. 6, round ball of dough is rolled and flattened into a sheet to make a pie crust. What is the physical property of dough has changed? Its shape, right? We've basically changed the shape here. The type of changes the form, but is not makeup or composition. Changes the form, but does not change its composition. That's a physical change. All right, so let's take a look at a glass cup that falls off the shelf. It breaks. That's a physical change. Your homework is ripped. That's a physical change. Metal on the side of your car rusts. Now, we just talked about that. That's a chemical change. And wood is burned to create heat. And that is a chemical change. All right. So that's what I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks